Welcome back to another video of JB Fishing. Today we're on the river, chub fishing. Now pretty simple one today. Big hook, lead weight, rod, and see if I can't get a bite. Bit of blue cheese and pastry as bait. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I've got that blue cheese on, and I'm probably going to go and cast out over there. Okay, put the clip on. What? Okay, I might recast that. Okay, so reeling in and moving spots. Yeah, blue cheese. Let's get all the rest out. As you can see, I have got all my gear on. So if I put my rod rest there, along with a lure rod for after, maybe even might have a little fish soon. Don't know. Whoop! Yep, all good. Couldn't we both fish here? Couldn't we both fish here?
I don't know really.
What if you fish towards that way, I fish towards that way? I can fish here, put a rod out that way, and then you fish over there.
Right, okay, yeah, because I don't think the other one's a little bit...
Yeah, the other one's quite far away and they're too small, yeah.
Okay, we'll try that then.
Yeah. Okay, so we moved to a new spot, and yeah, looks good. Okay, so we've moved spot again, unsuccessful in the last spot, and it was quite nice here. I mean, I'm a bit surrounded by like brambles and stuff, but that looks quite nice. So yeah, see if I can't catch anything. Okay, so I just had a bite, and I went to check on my bait, and it was still there, but I had a bite, but it didn't quite take it. So we're going to get it chucked out back to where it was. It's there. Okay. See if I can't get. Okay, so down by the spot, change spots. Unsuccessful in the other spot. So I've moved to this spot, it's quite nice here. So we're gonna have a little lure fish down here while I wait for a bite on the rod, but see if I can't get anything. May know the drill by now, but we've moved again. Again, unsuccessful in the last spot. So we've now got this. Doesn't look too bad. It's quite nice, especially like under them trees just there. Zoom in for you. Under them trees just there. I think some fish will hold up under there, so if I can get a cast under there, that'd be good. So yeah, let's see if we can't catch anything. Let's get this cast out. There we go. Sun's bright. Oh, bloody hell. Not in the right spot there. I think that's my cheese gone. Yep, it is. Oh, great. I just had a really good bite in the 7th spot of the day, and it's on my bait, so I just cast it back out, and hope we can't get one. Got a fish on. It's not as big as a bite as you said. It's only a small one.
Only a small one? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that little one ain't bad though.
It's not bad, no. My first ever chub.
Better than nothing. Yeah.
Would you say it's a good first ever chub?
That's not bad for a chub, is it? Top. Oh. A little one, but it's a chub.
Yes! Oh my god. First ever chub.
Yeah. There you go.
Can you get a photo for me?
Hey?
Can I have a photo with it? Like my first ever chub?
You've got it if you want, yeah. You want me to do it on my camera and stuff?
Do you want to use mine? Okay, thank you for watching another video of JB Fishing. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next time.